Yo, what's up YouTube, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video I'm going to be cooking up for LAZERdim 700 and let's get into it. So the whole reason I'm cooking up for, LAZERdim is because he's always like dropping shit. Like he can't stop dropping. I kind of have an idea what I want to do. I definitely want to use like his eyes in like a corner or some shit, and then like have a main focus. So we're just gonna go with it. We're gonna go with flow, get that in. Alright, so I'm just gonna whip up Pinterest. I kind of found this little thing, so you can see the eye right there, and then I kind of want to go for this too. I like this. I'm just trying to find some sort of inspiration, but I don't want it to be like too bright because like his whole aesthetic is kind of just like dark, dark shit. So I'd probably go with like red and black. We'll see. Just really sparking ideas with like pictures like this just before like cooking up. That's definitely like what helps me a lot of the time. I don't use it very often, but when I do want to do something different, I definitely do hop on Pinterest, kind of look for something. Yeah, so if you guys like trying to expand your like style or whatever, this is probably the best way to get some inspiration and go about that. So I'm gonna go and get some water because I'm sick as shit right now. So this is an absolutely crazy picture, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, so we got the pics. Drop them bitches in. Keep the background black because a very dark kind of aesthetic we're going for. For this picture I'm only gonna use his eyes, not gonna lie. I'm just gonna use the, what's this shit called? Lasso? Polygonal lasso tool. So I like to use this for like cutouts and shit. So I would just like do like random cutouts. I like to like keep it very messy, I guess. Like I like this like look. I don't like it when it's just I like it not perfect, I guess. But yeah, so we're just gonna smart object is, make sure I'm gonna keep it up here, see how that looks. So why the fuck did they amputate? Like, come on, man. Alright, so we got the picture not amputated anymore. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna put him. Probably just in the middle. Do perspective. Don't know why the hell I have this idea, but it's a bit strange. Yes. Okay. I have it now. Okay. Then I wanna liquefy. I'm not really sure which one it is. I think it might be blow. Yeah. Off a fucking acid tablet. So I'm not really talking, my bad. I'm really locked in. I'm just trying to figure this out. But yeah, I'm just doing the adjustments right now. This is boring as fuck. I might actually just I might just use my little pack. If you guys do want to cop, down below in the description, if you guys do want to cop, let me know how it goes. I do have a free version out if you guys do want to cop that too. Really just to get ideas and shit. Just gotta duplicate this, merge it all together. You guys already know the fucking drill. I gotta flip this shit around. So, bro, I'm fucking heating up, goddamn. But yeah, flip it around, blend mode, find something fire. Okay, we got, okay. Alright, so I'm gonna get a copy scanner texture. I really, probably one of my favorite textures to actually use in my cover arts. Definitely definitely the black market copy scanner texture. Like, you see this shit, bro? Like, you can get some crazy, like, there's some crazy shit out of it. Like, this is literally the kind of effect I was going for. Like, I definitely want to make my own, like, textures and shit. And then just do some crazy shit, man. Gonna group all these together or merge them. Then I'm gonna just perspective this shit. Just kind of give it like some sort of texture look. Definitely gonna put like a blur on it. And kind of just get that nice ass look. Boom. Nothing done dope up. Alright, so I'm gonna just do a blur. And then alright, so I'm gonna just open up my free pack. If you guys do want to cop this free pack, or just get, or literally just get it, literally it's free. Join my Discord, I have a link in there. I just want to get a Glock out of this, or smoke as well, actually. That's what I need. It's a bit late, we're a bit late into it, but fuck, we'll stick it in here anyways. If we can, kinda do a perspective on it. Get the fucking laser in. Pop blur on this. Want to find a brush around just for good measures, you know yourself. Here we go. And yeah. So this is the final result. I'm just gonna put parental advisory on it. I don't think it's saved in here. Just bring this all the way up above the adjustments. Boom. So if you guys did enjoy this video, I know I'm a bit sick, but shit. If you guys did enjoy the video, please leave a like, subscribe. If you want to get the pack, join the Discord. If you want to get my adjustments pack, go down below in the description. I have presets, just adjustments. I'm gonna add more shit on there, and yeah, peace.